Yeah, yeah, yeah. Mm-mm. Di pantai ini aku merasa bebas, gelombang menyapa, hati pun lega. Di bawah sinar matahari yang hangat, pasir di kaki, dunia terasa damai. Lautan, matahari, pasir favoritku, menyentuh jiwa, hatiku tenang. Di sini aku merasa hidup, di bawah langit biru kita terbang tinggi. Burung terbang, angin membawa harapan, kaki menjejak di pantai yang luas. Senyum terbit bersama fajar. Aku tahu ini tempat yang benar. Matahari, pasir favoritku, menyentuh jiwa, hatiku tenang. Di sini aku merasa hidup, di bawah langit biru kita terbang tinggi. Lautan, matahari, pasir, semuanya ada, tempat yang selalu aku cinta.
The golden leaves are falling, whispers of the past are calling. November sky so wide and clear, a time for change, a time for cheer. The air is crisp, the nights are long, but in my heart I feel so strong. The world slows down, the world feels right underneath the November light. Oh, this is the month of dreams, where everything is more than it seems. The magic in the air so true. November is here, I'm thinking of you. Oh, candlelight in quiet streets, the rhythm of our heart still beats. In the silence we can find a peaceful place to clear our minds. The stars above are shining bright, guiding us through the peaceful night. In November we'll be free, in the warmth of you and me. Oh, this is the month of dreams, where everything is more than it seems. The magic in the air so true. November is here, I'm thinking of you.
Mind over matter, I rise above. With every challenge I find my love. The world may try to pull me down, but I'm reaching for the highest crown. I'll push through the doubt, I'll fight the fear. With every step, the path gets clear. In the quiet of my heart, I know It's my willpower that helps me grow. Strength's not just in what you see, it's in the heart, the soul, and the belief. Mind over matter, I rise above. With every challenge I'll find my love. The world may try to pull me down, but I'm reaching for the highest crown. We search and seek every word, a path we speak. Stories hidden, lessons untold. In the books we find our goal. With every turn, with every line, a piece of the puzzle starts to shine. In the books we find a world so wide, answers we seek with open eyes. Through the chapters we start to see the journey of who we're meant to be. Ink on paper, the past comes alive. In every chapter we learn to thrive. Lessons of love, of strength, of grace. In the books we find our place. With every turn, with every line, a piece of the puzzle starts to shine. In the books we find a world so wide, answers we seek with open eyes. Through the chapters we start to see the journey of who we're meant to be. Late nights with the world asleep, I'm diving in, the secret to keep. Every page is a step I take in the quest for the dreams I'll make. The answers aren't always clear, but I won't stop, I'll persevere. Chasing the knowledge, one page at a time. Climbing the mountain, reaching the climb. Through every question, through every doubt, I'm finding the truth, I'm figuring it out. In the silence, I hear the call, a spark of wonder, a future to recall. Every word, every thought, every line, building a bridge from heart to mind. The road is long, but I'm not afraid. With every step I'm being made. Chasing knowledge, one page at a time. Climbing the mountain, reaching the climb. Through every question, through every doubt, I'm finding the truth, I'm figuring it The winter winds are blowing cold, but the sun breaks through the sky so bold. Frost on the ground, but warmth in the air. close.